Enjoying a nice cup of coffee. My breakfast is just about done. Boil water, let it sit for 10 minutes, and enjoy. This one was bought from REI by my love, the love of my life. The second love of my life. The first love of my life is Jesus. The second love is mi amor, my future wife. So thank you for that, babe. Gonna enjoy that. I'm gonna, I don't have any more water, so I need to go collect water. And then, I don't know. I don't know what we'll do. I don't have a book or anything to read, which is a bummer. We'll see. I do have some games on my phone, so I guess I could play some games if I want to, but I don't want to do that too much because what's the point? But I'll find something to do. And then we'll go on with the day from there. All right, let me tell you how this meal is right now. All right. Let's see it. That's pretty much cooked. Get a little bit of everything in there. Yep. That's good. Potatoes, sausage. What? Eggs. Peppers. Pretty straightforward. I like it. One more bite. Check it out. Right now, we are gonna go use the bathroom. So we're gonna go look for a nice, cutty little spot far away from camp where I feel safe. Dig a hole, pop a squat, and the rest is history. Sweet. I feel the most safe and alone here. So it's pretty far away too from our camp. Okay, let's start digging. And there you go. Did my business. I made it very clear. Don't go there. Don't look under there. All right. Let's go back. Ooh, buddy. Put some suntan or sunblock because it is hot, man. The sun's beaming down. Already getting a little toasty. Oof. That's how I guess get a little bit more toastier though. Look at the difference. Anyways, I'm about to eat some lunch. I don't know what we're gonna eat, but got filtered water with the meal thing. Yeah, so that, and I don't know what we'll eat, but I'll let y'all know. Promise you my skin's not that white. It's the white balance. What's up, y'all? We out here. Super hot, but also windy. You can hear the wind picking up. I was trying to edit a video, and I was sitting down. I didn't want to move. I was too lazy, so I was like, you know what? Let me just use my jacket to block myself. But check it out. Oh gosh, that's bright and windy. We out here. I'm also not trying to get like sunburn or anything. I've been putting on PT's back right there. He went out. PT, let me know when you ready for Star Realms. Okay. Okay, perfect. Oh, perfect. Yep. We out here. This is my station. I got another drink. Trail mix, thank you, babe. Some of that, thank you, babe. Bag of chips. Just a ton of snacks, man. I got some food right there. It's a packet of rice, like already pre-cooked, but I thought I'm just leave it out in the sun, see if it heats up. Eat that later. And then I got all my stuff trying to stay out of the sun. Yeah. Anyways, we're chilling. I gotta shave, y'all. All right. What's up, y'all? Took a 2-hour nap, maybe a 1 hour. I don't know. Pretty good. All right. Went for just a little walk over there by the water. Wash my hands. Having a snack right now. Some cheese, cracker, or pretzel dips. A little bit of sausage. And yes, you already know it. The drink. It's the rest that I had from earlier. And I know what you're thinking. Yes, I will start drinking more water. All right. What's up, y'all? It is almost 6 o'clock. It's funny because I feel like every single time I'm filming, it's all about food. There's way more to do out here than just eat, like sleep. Now, but PT and I, we just finished playing this game called Star Realms. Super fun. Tomorrow we're going to play a game called Bocce Ball. Some of y'all might know it. But yeah, it's been a good day. Took a nap, read a little bit. But I had on my iPad. Never bringing the iPad again because that thing weighs a brick. Tomorrow, I'm going to try climbing that mountain right there. Right there, yep. So, it's climbable. It's not too crazy, supposedly. So, we'll see. And then, yeah, so right now we're just they're just cooking. They're getting along. Some people came over there. There was like probably 12 of them, give or take. They looked like some teenagers, probably summer camp, or not summer camp, but like Boy Scout, Girl Scout, People Scout. But yeah, so we're gonna cook. Today on the docket, we got this spiral pasta in a creamy garlic flavor sauce, okay? Then we're gonna add some light tuna into that. Now, the question is, can we cook the pasta? Usually you want to boil pasta, but we don't have nothing to boil. I have an idea. We'll see if it works out. All right. So we got the tuna. I'm thinking about cooking the tuna on the pan, just get a little crispier. We have the pasta. Now the pasta is going to be the interesting part. We're going to boil the water, throw the pasta in there, mix it. After that's boiled, oh, we lost one. Add a little bit of powdered milk. Then we're going to throw it into the bag because it's insulated for about 10 minutes, hoping, God willing, that it hydrates the pasta. We'll see. We shall see. And then Brother Jeff said, throw the cap on so it boils faster. Cool. And now we wait. Alright, so that's boiling. All right, y'all. So we boiled it. The noodles are pretty soft, actually. We threw in the tuna. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw it into this baggie right here.
None of these things will use only.
Check it out,
They
y'all.
don't say anything like that. So what he's doing makes a lot of good sense.
That's not what we're having. We're having that right there. Check it out. Oh man.
I'm so used to eating this and just throwing it right in the fryer.
That's what we do every time.
That's worth gold to me out here. You're throwing away the good stuff. Let's check it out right
Any
there.
bag that I have. You don't even need to bring your own. I'll just give you mine. Oh, excuse me.
We're good. I will say, obviously this requires more work. Right? You boil it, you throw it in there, let it sit. You're good. This definitely requires more work.
Yeah.
But personally, I don't really mind it. It's because we're out here anyways. We got nothing but time. All right, man, we're out here. We got the fire being toasted. We got PT's already up in his. You know, it's so strange, Jeff, bro. Like this camera, even at night, it does really well to bring out the light.
iPhone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's impressive, man. Because this is dark out here.
Were you able to get any photos of the Milky Way? Like at first?
I did.